Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you the reverse tutorial on CapCut. So here, import your clips and then split your video. I'm going to split in here. Click on the video and click on split. But if you have the music for your video, you can split the video on bits. But since I haven't add the music, I'm going to just split like this. And next, delete the rest of the video and copy the first clips. Click on the video and find copy. Okay, and then click on the second clip and find reverse. Okay, this one, just click on the reverse, and now the reverse is done, and here is the reverse result. Okay, you can see now it's going backward. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on thanks. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.